Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're super excited to dive into the world of premium audio and show you how to bring a truly cinematic sound experience to your Android phone. We're talking about the latest and greatest Dolby Atmos ported straight from the OnePlus 8, and the best part: you can get it running on any rooted Android device. First, we need to make sure there are no conflicting audio modules. If you have any other Dolby Magisk modules installed, especially if they have different names than the one we're installing, you'll need to remove them. Next, you'll need to download the actual Dolby Atmos module. You'll find the download link conveniently located in the video description below. Once downloaded, you have a few options for installation. You can use the Magisk app itself, the Kernel SU app if you're using that, or even your phone's recovery mode if you have Magisk installed that way. Now, this is important, especially if you like to tinker with audio settings. If you're using any other audio modification modules alongside Dolby Atmos, you'll also need to install the AML, or Audio Modification Library, Magisk module. And finally, for those of you rocking Kernel SU, there's one small but crucial setting you need to adjust. You'll need to disable unmount modules by default in your Kernel SU app settings. Alright, we're almost there. Once you've installed everything, reboot your phone. And that's it. You should now have the full, immersive Dolby Atmos experience on your rooted Android device. Go ahead, put on your favorite music, fire up a movie, or play a game and prepare to be blown away by the enhanced audio quality. Let me know in the comments below what you think. We'd love to hear about your experiences. Don't forget to check out the description below for all the download links, detailed installation instructions, and any additional information you might need. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.